Ever pondered how a simple idea transforms into an interactive digital experience? Welcome to the world of coding, where ideas take shape and come to life. Imagine a blank canvas. An artist uses brushes and colors to create a masterpiece. Coding isn't much different. It's the art of instructing a computer to perform tasks using a special language that it understands. Picture a giant block of marble. Just as a sculptor chips away to reveal a statue, a coder starts with a basic structure and refines it into a complex program. Coding languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++ are the tools in the coder's kit. Now consider a detective investigating a mystery. Each coding language is a clue. Python, for example, is versatile and easy to read, making it perfect for beginners. JavaScript, on the other hand, is the backbone of web interactivity. C++ is a powerhouse used in game development and system software. Deciphering the strengths and weaknesses of each language is key to solving the coding conundrum. But what if coding is not just about solving problems? What if it's a tool for creation? With coding, one can paint a digital picture, animate a story, or even design a video game. The only limit is the imagination. For those ready to take a leap into deeper waters, coding challenges await. These puzzles of varying difficulty levels offer a chance to apply learned concepts and sharpen problem-solving skills. Imagine spending a day in the life of a professional coder. It's not just about typing lines of code. It involves using a variety of tools and technologies, working on diverse projects, and constantly learning and adapting. And if the thought of becoming a math genius is daunting, don't fret. Coding is less about complex equations and more about logic and problem solving. It's a myth that needs busting. For the seasoned coders, the future of coding is an exciting frontier. With the advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the way we code is evolving rapidly. Coding also extends beyond personal or commercial use. It can be a force for social good. From creating apps that help combat climate change to platforms that tackle poverty, coding has the potential to make an impact. Lastly, imagine building a startup from scratch. With coding at the helm, it's possible to develop a unique business idea, secure funding, and create a product or service that fills a gap in the market. In summary, coding is more than just a skill. It's a tool for creation, a means to solve problems, a way to innovate and make a difference. Whether it's designing a game, debunking a myth, or developing a startup, coding is the key that unlocks endless possibilities.